Okay, we've got the mouth fixed. Took me 3 adjustments to get it to work right. So we hooked it back up. We put our dowel in here to check our tension on the dowel. So now the mouth will open and close properly. Doesn't catch on anything. We sanded down the sides and the edges a bit. So that's working really nice. So we got the mouth done. Our last step is to do our ears and our nose for our clown. And I put these blocks on here so the ears don't slide on us when we try to screw them in. So I'm using a 1-inch screw here, and we're going to put a little bit of glue on it so it won't turn on us. So we'll screw, and I marked where I needed to put them, or where I wanted them on each side. One. Take this block off, tighten it down a little bit more. And see, all these holes will fill with putty when we get ready to seal it. So now we'll go to the other side. Check this one. It's good. That one, so now we want to make sure they're straight before that glue sets. That's good. So we got the ears on there. We made a little hole for the nose. This is going to be our clown nose. We drill a hole through here to hold this. So we got our ears and our nose. We'll just fill this when we seal all this. We fill all this with putty. So last thing we got is our dowel up there. We want to glue this dowel in so it doesn't come out. So we checked all our tension and everything. Everything back there is working good. That's all working good. So I had to sand on the sides a little bit, down on the bottom a little bit to get that to fit. Take this out of here, and we'll put some glue in here and glue this in. This isn't going to go anywhere because it's pulling down, plus I cut these grooves in here. So we'll let that set up and dry, and then this head is ready to seal. And we'll do that on our next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.